YouTube is one of the most popular websites on the internet. Making a video go viral is not easy. Let's discover together these tricks that will make you the star on YouTube and find out how to get more views on YouTube. Make short videos. In 2000, the average attention span was 12 seconds. In 2013, it has dropped to 8 seconds. This means that you have a very limited time to capture your viewers' attention and keep it engaged. That's why it's important to ensure that your videos are as concise as possible. By using a shorter video, you can implement a reuse content strategy. This means turning other types of existing content such as webinars, blogs and podcasts into short videos. To make your short videos more successful, you can either use the YouTube Shorts or take inspiration from the example video, taking into account these few rules. One video equals one key message. Be inspired by the codes of the best social media content. Create a short video script. Limit the script to 3 to 4 seconds per screen. Start with a catchy intro. Play on the storytelling and emotions of your target audience. Use full HD visuals. Take into account the characteristics of each channel through which your videos are distributed. Use transitions, inserts and motion design. Subtitle your videos. End with a call to action. Use descriptive, keyword-rich titles. Your title is one of the first things viewers will see when they see your video, so it's important to make sure it is attention-grabbing and descriptive. A good title should give viewers an idea of what your video is about and make them want to watch it. You can also use the keyword planner, which is designed for advertisers, but can also be used by anyone looking to increase their online reach. If your video is about a specific breed of cat, you can use tags like Siamese, Persian, or Russian Blue. You can also use TubeBuddy to optimize the tags of your videos. Include a call to action. A call to action is an instruction or suggestion for your viewers to do something after watching your video. This could be subscribing to your channel, visiting your website, or sharing your video with friends. A call to action is an effective way to keep viewers interested in your content and encourage them to do something that will benefit your channel. Optimize your thumbnail. Your thumbnail image is another key factor in getting people to click on your video and watch it. To create effective YouTube thumbnails, having a good authoring tool is essential. In general, Photoshop is recommended, but if you don't have a license, don't panic. There are other free tools that allow you to create nice YouTube thumbnails optimized for the platform. For example, you can browse the free version of Canva. Tips for successful YouTube thumbnails. Respecting the platform's format. The format of the YouTube thumbnail must conform to the format specified by the platform, namely, the resolution is 1280 x 720, minimum width is 640 pixels, upload in image formats such as JPG, GIF, BMP or PNG. Complete. The title of the video thumbnails contain text. To be effective, your YouTube video titles need to be strong, but also short. Transcribe and emotion. The platform's users will be more inclined to click on your video if you convey the emotion they feel when viewing your content from your thumbnail. Maintain creative consistency. For your YouTube thumbnail, choose your favorite composition, a unique logo that platform users can instantly recognize when you appear in their suggestions. Add subtitles to your videos. Many people watch videos without the audio. Captions are another way to ensure that viewers don't miss any important information in your videos. You can add captions to your videos using YouTube's built-in captioning tool or a third-party service such as Capwing, Amara, GetCapta, Subtitle Horse, Headliner and Vade.io. Submit your videos to video sharing sites. There are many sites dedicated to hosting and sharing user-generated videos. Some of these sites, like Dailymotion and Vimeo, these sites are very popular and receive millions of visitors per day. Other sites, such as Twitch, Vidyard and VEOH, these sites are less well known, but still receive a fair amount of traffic. Make yourself known on other people's channels. If you can get your video featured on another person or a highly followed channel, you will get a huge increase in views and subscribers. To do this, try to get in touch with popular YouTubers and bloggers in your niche and ask them to feature your video on their channel or site. Use paid advertising. Paid advertising is another great way to get more views on your YouTube videos. You can use Google AdWords Video to place ads on YouTube and other video sharing sites. Conclusion. Creating an interesting and engaging video is only the first step to getting more views on your YouTube channel. You should also promote your videos through social media and other online channels. In addition, you can use some of the techniques we've listed to give your videos even more exposure. Paid advertising is another great way to increase viewership, and YouTube offers a number of tools that make it easy to target your ads to the people most likely to be interested. If you follow these tips, you're sure to see an increase in viewers to your YouTube channel.